How to understand the pivot matrix of scipy.lineage.lu_factor. How can I manually reconstruct a matrix A that was factorized by lu_factor? A equals plu. My current attempts all failed due to the setup of matrix P. Here is what I have so far. I am looking for the matrix P that makes this line print true. Any hint/link/suggestion is appreciated.
The permutation vector needs to be interpreted in sequence. If piv equals 1, 2, 2, then the following needs to be done in sequence, with zero-based indexing. Row 0 changes with row 1. The new row 1 changes with row 2 and the new row 2 stays the same. In code this would do the trick. For piv equals 1, 2, 2, P is. This is probably not a very fast way of computing P, but it does the trick and answers the question.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.